Explore 4 uncommon ways to unveil graphics card details on Windows 11. To begin, right-click on the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now select Device Manager from the pop-up menu. This will open the Device Manager window. Within the Device Manager, locate and double-click on Display Adapters. Here you'll find what kind of graphics card you have. Now let's explore the second method. Right-click on the Windows icon again, and this time choose Task Manager from the menu. Alternatively, you can simply search for Task Manager in the search bar. Once the Task Manager window opens, click on the Performance tab. Locate your graphics card and click on it. You'll find the detailed information about your graphics card below. Moving on to the third method, right-click on the Windows icon once more. From the menu, select Run. In the Run window, type DXDIAG and click OK. If prompted, click Yes to open the direct X Diagnostic Tool. Now navigate to the Display tab within the tool. Here you'll find comprehensive details about your display graphics card. Lastly, let's explore the fourth method. Right-click on your desktop screen and select Display Settings. Once the Display Settings window opens, scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Here, you will find a link labeled Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. Clicking on it will unveil the graphics card you're using on your display. And there you have it.